ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 5. ನಾವು ಹಿಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಿಸ್, ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಿಸ್, ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಿಸ್ ಈ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಅದರ ಮೇಲಿನ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ನಾವೀಗ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಇವತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್, ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಡಿಷನ್ and matrix scalar multiplication of a matrix. So now I am going to take properties on matrix addition. So we know commutative law. So commutative law ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಯಾವುದೇ ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. Both are same. But in the matrices, A plus B, if we have two matrices, A plus B is equal to B plus A. But ನಮಗೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಎರಡೂ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ದೇ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಅಂತ. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ now we can conclude if A is equal to Aij and B is equal to Bij are matrices of same order, then A plus B is equal to B plus A. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸರಳವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. A plus B is equal to Aij, matrix Aij plus matrix Bij, that is equal to matrix Aij plus Bij. How we are obtaining? By adding the corresponding elements of the two matrices. But this Aij plus Bij can be written as Bij plus Aij because the addition of two numbers is commutative. That I have shown that addition of two numbers is commutative. So this can be written as matrix Bij plus matrix Aij. So therefore that is equal to B plus A. So ನಾವು ಈಗ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ A is a matrix 2 3 3 5. So if we take another matrix B, then 1 1 2 1 ಹೀಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ so A plus B is 2 plus 1. This is 2 plus 1 3, adding the corresponding element 3 and 1, and 3 plus 1 is 4, and 3 plus 2, that is 5, and 5 plus 1 is 6. Similarly, we can obtain B plus A. So B plus A just by adding the corresponding elements of B and A. So there also 1 plus 2 here is 1 and 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3 here, and this is 1 plus 3, that is also 4, and 2 plus 3, and that is 5, and 1 plus 5, that is 6. So we conclude that A plus B is equal to B plus A. So we conclude the addition of two matrices is commutative. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. we can take any examples. We can show that A plus B is equal to B plus A. ಹಾಗೆ suppose another law, associative law. ಇಲ್ಲಿ associative law ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ what is the associative law that we know already how it takes? That is, if we have any two elements, suppose 2 3 5, so then we can write that the addition of 2 plus and adding 3 plus 5, 2 plus 3 plus 5, and we conclude 2 plus 3 plus 5, so both are equal. This is called associative property. But in case of matrices, if ABC are any three matrices of same order, then we conclude that A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. So for any three matrices, A is equal to A matrix Aij, B is equal to matrix Bij, and C is equal to matrix Cij of the same order m by n, then A plus B plus C and A plus of B plus C. So we can also prove just by taking three matrices of same order, maybe of 2 by 2 matrices, then we can show that A plus B plus C and A plus B of plus B plus C. So generally it can be shown like this: A plus B plus C equals adding the corresponding elements of A and B. This can be written as Aij plus Bij plus the matrix C is Cij. So then we can take this as adding Aij corresponding elements of Aij plus Bij, that is Aij plus Bij, and adding the corresponding elements of C plus Cij. So the addition of the three numbers is associative here, so that we know. Therefore, we can write this as Aij plus of Bij plus Cij. So this can be written Aij plus Bij plus Cij. So therefore we can write like this. So therefore we can show that A plus B plus C equals A plus B of B plus C. So we can take the any three examples. We can similarly, by adding the three matrices, we can show that the addition of matrices satisfies the associative property. Now let's take existence of additive identity. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ, so when do you say that an identity, suppose if you take that 2 plus 0 is equal to 2, actually this 2 0 is the additive identity. additive identity Additive identity. So in the case of matrices, identity means here when you add any element with this additive identity, we are getting the same number 2. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ನಂಬರೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆ ಎಡಿಟಿವ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ನಂಬರೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಮಗೆ ಅದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಎ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಎ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ 2 3 3 5 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ 0 0 0 0. And if we add, this is when you take this a plus, this is 2 3 3 5 plus 0 0, we can write that is 2 3 3 5. So we are getting the same matrix. So this is called, this is zero matrix. Zero matrix is nothing but a matrix containing zeros. And since it is of order 2 by 2, zero matrix must be also of same order 2 by 2. So we conclude a zero matrix of the same order is the additive identity under matrix addition. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ if A is equal to Aij be a m by n matrix, then 0b O is taken as a notation for a zero matrix of same order, then A plus O equals O plus A is equal to A. Then the existence of additive inverse. Suppose if Aij of order m by n be any matrix, then there exists another matrix minus A is equal to minus Aij, and this minus A is called the negative of the matrix. That is minus A called the negative of the matrix. Negative of matrix. So if you are taking A is a matrix, A is a matrix 2 3 3 5, then we are writing that minus A as multiplying all the elements of A by minus 1, that is minus 2, minus 3, minus 3, minus 5. This is called negative of the matrix. So ಈಗ if you take A plus minus A plus minus A, we are taking, that is 2 3 3 5 and plus minus A minus 2 minus 3 minus 3 minus 5, and we are getting that is 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3, 3 minus 3, 5 minus 5. So we are getting 0 0 0 0. So that means we are getting 0 matrix. So if A is equal to Aij be a matrix of order m by n, then there exists another matrix minus A. So minus Aij of same order, that is called the negative of the matrix, such that A plus minus A is equal to minus A plus A. So that is 0 matrix. So ಹೀಗೆ ನಾವು ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಡಿಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದೋ ಹಿಯರ್ minus A is called additive inverse of A. Additive inverse of A. So additive inverse of matrix, ಯಾವುದೇ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ additive inverse ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ in any ways minus A plus A, so we are always getting 0. So that is the property of the inverse law. ಈಗ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ A is equal to Aij and B is equal to Bij with the matrices of same order, then for any constant k, we can get k times of A plus B is equal to Ka plus Kb. And if k and L are constants, then the constant k plus L times of A is equal to Ka plus La. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಡಿ, ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಕೆ ಎ, ಕೆ ಬಿ, ಕೆ ಸಿ, ಕೆ ಡಿ. ಸೊ these two properties can be proved by just by taking the definition of a matrix, taking A is equal to Aij, B is equal to matrix Bij, just by taking the idea of this concept. ಈಗ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಆನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗಳನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ಇದೆ. ಇಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 7 0 2 5 and x minus y equals matrix 3 0 0 3, then find x and y. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೊಂದು ರೀತಿಯ ಸೈಮಲ್ಟೇನಿಯಸ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ನಾವೀಗ ಅದನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಟೇಕ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟೂ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ is equal to matrix 7 0 2 5 and x minus y is equal to 3 0 0 3. ಇದೊಂದು ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ, so this is how we can solve the simultaneous equation. We know that just by adding the two equations. So adding 1 and 2, we are getting, so actually when adding 1 and 2, So this x and x will become 2x, and plus y minus y will become 0. So just adding the corresponding elements of this matrix, and 7025, because we have to add these two matrices. So therefore the 7 is added with 3, that will become 10, and 0 is added with 0, therefore that will become 0. Then 2 is added with 0, so that is 2, and 5 is added with 3, so that is 8. So 2x equals 8. Sorry, this is not small x, this is capital X. It is a matrix. So therefore x is equals the whole matrix divided by 2. So therefore that can be written as 1 by 2 into 10, 0, 2, 8. So this we can write multiplying, this is a scalar multiplication of matrix 10, 0, 2, 8 by 1 by 2. So multiplying all the elements by 1 by 2. So 10 into 1 by 2 will become 5, and 0 by 2 is 0. Dividing all the elements by 2, because this is 1 by 2. So 1 and 4. So we are getting x is 5014. Now to find out x, y. So just substituting, substituting x equals 5014 into 1, equation 1. So we are getting, so equation 1 ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So we have equation 1. So therefore this is 5014, this is x, plus y equals, that is 7025. So we have this equation. Then we have to find out y matrix. So now we know that taking this matrix to this side, to the right hand side, so the matrix y will become, so 7025, and this plus, when you come to right hand side, this will become minus, that is minus 5014. So we are having subtraction of two matrices. So therefore just by adding the corresponding elements of, subtracting the corresponding elements of these two matrices, so 7 minus 5 will become 2, and this is 0 minus 0 will become 0, and 2 minus 1 will become 1, and 5 minus 4 will become 1. So this is 2 comma 0, 1 comma 1. This is the y matrix. So just by solving the simultaneous equation, we are finding x and y. ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Find x and y if, so twice of the matrix 1 3 0 x plus y 0 1 2, that is equal to matrix 5 6 1 8. ಇಲ್ಲಿ first matrix is multiplied by 2, because this is twice of 1 3 0 x, and we need to add the two matrix, and we need to take the concept of equality of true matrices. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ 2 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ when you take the matrix multiplying this first matrix by 2, that will become 2 6 0 2x, and plus y 0 1 2, and that is equal to 5 6 1 8. So ಈಗ ನಾವು we have to add the first two matrices. ಈಗ add ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 2 plus y, because we are adding the corresponding elements of both matrices, 2 plus y, and 6 plus 0. So this is 6 plus 0, and 0 plus 1, then 2x plus 2, that is equal to 5 6 1 8. So we know that these two matrices are of same order, 2 by 2. So we conclude that the corresponding elements must be equal when by taking the concept of equality of two matrices. Therefore, so we conclude that 2 plus y equals 5. So therefore we conclude 2 plus y equals 5. And we know that here we need to find out x now. 2x plus 2 is equal to 8. Therefore 2x plus 2 is equal to 8. So ನಾವೀಗ ಇದರಿಂದ x and y ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ this gives y is equal to 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. And from this we are getting, so this implies 2x is equal to 8 minus 2, that is equal to 6. So that implies 2x is equal to 6, that implies x is equal to 6 by 2, so that is equal to 3. So we are getting the value of x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 3. ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಉದಾಹರಣೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x twice of 2 3 is a column matrix plus y times of matrix minus 1 1 equals matrix 10 5. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲದೂ ಕೂಡ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಈಗ we have to use the properties and the concept of addition and equality of matrices and scalar multiplication of matrices. So ಈಗ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈಗ x ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x 2 3 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು how to multiply, add all the multiplying all the elements by x now. So when you multiply 2 by x now, that will become 2x, and 3 and x is multiplied, that is will become 3x. So that will be matrix 2x 3x. It is a matrix of order 2 by 1. Plus, now let's take the second term. This will be y. So y is multiplied with minus 1 and 1. So therefore this will become minus y and y. This is also a matrix of order 2 by 1. So that will become 10 5. That is equal to. So this implies, so just by adding these two matrices, they are also 2 by 1. The obtained matrix must be also 2 by 1. So therefore we are having 2x plus minus y will become 2x minus y, and 3x plus y, and this is a matrix and of order 2 by 1, that is equal to matrix 10 5. So now we are getting the simultaneous equation. So we have 2x minus y is equal to 10 and 3x plus y equals 5. Again we can find out x here. This is a simultaneous equation 1 and 2. So just by adding, because we have plus y and minus y, just by adding 2x added with 3x will become 5x, and minus 5 plus 5 will become 0, and this will become 15. So 5x is equal to 15, then x is equal to 15 by 5, and that is equal to 3. And substitute x is equal to 3 into one of the equation 1 to 1. So therefore, that is 2 into 3 minus y equals 10. So therefore, 6 minus y equals 10. So therefore, that is minus y equals 10 minus 6, taking to right hand side, that is will become 4. So minus y equals 4, then y equals minus 4. So finally conclude. So what we are getting the values of x and y? X is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 4. ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಉದಾಹರಣೆ, find x if y equals matrix 3 2 1 4 and 2x plus y equals matrix 1 0 minus 3 2. ಈಗ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 2x plus y ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ವಾ, that is matrix 1 0 minus 3 2. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ y ಇದೆ, ಸೊ y ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಈಗ 2x plus y is 3 2 1 4, and that is a matrix 1 0 minus 3 2. Okay, so here now we have to find out x now. So here, taking this matrix to the left hand side, to the right hand side, so we are having 2x equals 1 0 minus 3 2, and taking this matrix, that is minus 3 2 1 4. So this is a subtraction of matrices. So therefore, just by subtracting this, 1 minus 3 0 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 2 minus 4. So that is 1 minus 3 is minus 2 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 and minus 2. So this is 2x. So we have to find out x now. So x is the matrix is divided by 1 by 2. So therefore it is multiplied by 1 by 2. So minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 2. So that will be multiplying all the elements by 2, that is dividing all the elements by 2. So therefore this is minus 1 and minus 1. Minus 4 into 1 by 2 is minus 2 minus 1. So the x value will be minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1. So ಈಗ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಡಿಷನ್, ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್, ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಮುಂದಿನ ಅಧ್ಯಾಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್, ಅನದರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಆನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಗಮನ ಹರಿಸೋಣ.